Hey Scratchers! Welcome back to Mommy Tech Kids. Today we're diving into the world of sounds and music on Scratch. Whether you're creating an awesome game, an animated story, or just having fun, adding music and sound effects can take your project to the next level. Let's get started. First up, let's explore where we can find the sound blocks. It's under Motion block. The first block we'll look at is the Play Sound Until Done block. This block is super simple but powerful. It plays the sound you've selected from your sound library and waits until it's done before moving on to the next block. Here is a list of sound library that can be used for background and applied to the sprints. Now let's jump to Scratch. Today we will make a Pop the Bubble game. The game will make a pop sound as we click the sprint and go to different position. Here you can see we are using a new block when the sprint click. This will only work when we click on the sprint. We choose the background. Now we are putting some sprints. And let's see the coding. Here you can see I can change the sprint outlook. Each sprint can be customized accordingly. Here I'm using Show and Hide block. When the sprint pop, it will appear in the other random position on the screen. Now you can hear the popping sound, copying this code to all the sprints. Now let's put some background sound using the sound library. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, comment, and like and support this channel.